Okay, so when people say Samal Island, everyone thinks beaches, resorts, white sand, but not so many people talk about what's hiding inside the island. There's a waterfall here, and not just one waterfall, it's like different pools, different depths, a cave, a hanging bridge, and the water, it's surprisingly cold, even in the middle of summer. That's because it actually comes from underground springs beneath the island. Pretty wild, right? It's called.
Hi guys! Welcome to Hagimit!
It's been here forever. Locals grew up swimming here, so today we're checking it out. I'll show you what it actually looks like, how much does it cost, and why I think this place deserves way more attention than it's getting. Alright, let's go.
Kano saan mo nagbago-uguan? Karon lang yun? So napila to, ma'am?
30 pound to gisingil kay wala pa na finalize ang association.
Okay.
Top naman din sa city. Ang city na po ang nagano nga 15 na.
Okay. Pantay na lang.
Oo, yung pantay na.
Okay, rapod. 50. So ang Davao ug ang taga Samal 50 na tanan.
Pero ang Davao mo bayad ang Davao. Not Davao pero dili
Outside Samal.
kay magbayad ng UF na 50.
So 100 tanan.
May uban nga manulod na nakabayad ng UF dito sa uban. So lang.
Kay sara magbayad og EF, di ba? 50 na lang entrance.
Oh, quick reminder before you head inside, don't forget to settle your parking fee at the entrance.
Pila ang parking? 25 ang parking sa motor. Ang sasakyanan?
Sasakyanan ng
Okay. Bao-bao 50. Si ate ang tigbantay ron diri sa parking area sa Hagimit.
After settling the parking fee, make your way to the main entrance and get yourself registered. Easy.
This is very genius idea gid pod do nga gibutgan yun nila og like ingonani ba para at least katong mga gusto magpahulay magkapahulay pa pod, and at the same time dili jud kayo ma-traffic kay syempre kung wala ingon adto wala maglisod kini tagisar man jud ni kadalan. Obviously from here madungog na jud nimo ang tingog sa waterfalls no, but sabton dool jud kayo na sila ang waterfalls ano man jud ay dool man jud ay kayo na jud sa waterfalls. I don't know kung makit-an ba jud din yung waterfalls na diya. May kay gilimpyuhan na nila oh. Uy, in fairness, nalimpyong Hagimit karon. Unlike before, grabe ko kahugaw. Limpyo na kayo, ilahang gipang hagbasan ang mga sagbot. Ay, mga cottage na binagmay. Really nice, landong po. Ay, ako improvement ang Hagimit karon. So, like, mo na yung pinaka-nindot daari. Ay, bisan, asa ka, pwede ka makabutang sa imuhang mga butang ba? Asa ka gusto maligo, butang rin mga gamit diya. Ilagan mo sa kaliguan, di lang kay siya, usa ka poles ba? Poles nga katag-katag. And that's why, sinasa ka pwede makaligo. La, take care.
Don't move!
Sabi, relaxing kayo ang tingog sa tubig ba? Gamay lang yung tao dali, mas nindot pa yun. Naghanag tao karon kay Friday, kanya wala po klase mga bata ba like this. Sa pagdadula na sila tiyo. So karon matuta sa kadong pinakataas yun sa Hagimit Falls, which is ang pinakaduol sa iyang source ba. Kay dito mas limpyo. Maybe mas limpyo. Mas limpyo, mas gamay rag tao. Mga batanon ginahan man dito. Lego.
While we were there, I ran into something I totally didn't see coming. A group of friends just having the time of their lives, laughing, jumping, fully in the moment. So I just handed them my camera and let them take over.
Galang kamera sa taas sa pag-selfie.
Because honestly, some moments are better when you just let them happen.
Lager na ka ba di?
Okay, before I wrap this up, let me leave you with a few things I learned from today. 1. Hagimit Falls has 4 major parts. The farther you go up, the closer you are to the source. And trust me, the water gets way colder and way fresher up there. 2. Go early, weekdays if you can. And 3. Just put your phone down at some point. Not everything needs to be on camera. Some of the best moments today weren't filmed. And that's totally okay. Alright, that's Hagimit Falls for you. Now go visit it yourself. Cheers.